Hey guys, it's Ultimate Root here, and today I'll be showing you how you can install Lineage OS version 16 to your Xperia device. So first things first, you're gonna have to download your TWRP recovery, and you're gonna need ADB fastboot commands. Your bootloader also needs to be unlocked, so make sure you do that before you go to this. So to begin with, I'm just gonna show you where you can go to unlock the bootloader first. So you go to the Xperia unlock bootloader and just press search, and it's just gonna be the first result. And down here you can unlock your bootloader, you select your device, and it's basically just gonna tell you everything you need to do. Right now, when your bootloader is unlocked, you're gonna go back to Google and you're gonna type LineageOS download. You're gonna come to the LineageOS downloads. You're gonna click it, and then you're gonna search for your device, which is over here. My device is over here. So these are nightly builds, which means they get updated every night. So we're just gonna choose the latest one, which is here, and it's gonna ask us where we want to download it. I'm just gonna go to my files folder on the desktop and just gonna press save, and this will download LineageOS. Okay, so now that the file is downloaded, we're gonna go to our phone and we're gonna turn it off. Okay, and we're gonna plug it into our PC by holding the volume up button and inserting the USB cable. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. So keep holding the volume up until the blue light shows up, and then we're just gonna leave your phone on there, and we're gonna come to our PC. Now that we're back on the PC, open our files folder, go to our ADB, and we're gonna click the cmd here.exe. We're gonna open this and we're gonna type fastboot boot, and we're just gonna grab our TWRP image. We're gonna drag it over here. We're gonna press enter. Now some Xperia devices also have a recovery partition. Mine does not have a recovery partition, but if your phone does have a recovery partition, type fastboot flash recovery and then just drag in your image. And then you would basically just reboot into recovery, and by typing fastboot reboot recovery. Actually no, that wouldn't work. You would have to turn off your phone and then just use the volume keys combinations to get into there. But now my phone is in TWRP, and we're just gonna jump to the camera. Now that you're on your phone, it's gonna ask you to enter your phone password to decrypt the data. I'm not gonna do that because I don't need to backup anything. If you don't have a backup, make sure you do it, and if you do make a backup, you need to enter the password, otherwise you won't be able to make a data backup. But I already made the backup, so I'm just gonna press cancel, and I'm gonna swipe to allow modifications. We're gonna go to wipe format data, and we're gonna type yes. I'm gonna press enter. We're gonna go back, we're gonna go to advanced wipe, and we're gonna select Dalvik cache, system, internal storage, and we're just gonna wipe. Okay. Now we're gonna go back, we're gonna go reboot, and we're gonna go to bootloader, swipe to reboot. Now my phone will reboot to the bootloader, and we're just gonna boot the same command. So fast but boot TWRP because we need to get into the recovery again. So we're just gonna do that now. And your phone will now reboot into TWRP. Team Win Recovery Project. We're gonna go here. And now we're gonna go to Advanced. We're gonna find ADB sideload and we're gonna swipe. And now while the phone is in ADB sideload, we're gonna open the files folder again. We're gonna open the command prompt from the ADB and we're gonna type ADB sideload and we're gonna drag in this LineageOS file and we're gonna press enter. And while that's installing, we're gonna go to Open Gaps and we're gonna download the Nano version. You can also choose stock or any other version, but I'm gonna choose Nano as it's the fastest and the most minimal install I need. So I'm just gonna do this, your platform, your Android version, which is Android 9, and I'm gonna click download. And we're gonna wait until it starts downloading. And we're gonna download this into files. And now this will obviously download the Google Apps into our files, and I'll be back with you once this finishes installing. Okay, so the ROM is now installed and we're gonna type ADB reboot bootloader, otherwise we will not be able to install Google Apps, and we're just gonna repeat the same command by booting the TLRP version. Also, on video I've used the older TLRP version, but that one failed deinstalled, so I had to use the newer version and this one worked. So we're just gonna use this same version to install Google Apps, and we're just gonna press enter, and this will just reboot our phone back to TWRP again. And now we're gonna go to our phone. Okay, now on your phone, go to Advanced, ADB sideload, swipe, and on RPC, we're gonna go to ADB sideload, and we're just gonna drag in the Open Gaps file we downloaded earlier. I'm gonna click on this window and we're just gonna press enter, and this will now install Open Gaps or Google Apps to our phone. So I'll be back once this is done. Okay, so now Google Apps are installed. We're just gonna press reboot system, do not install, and we're gonna wait until our LineageOS boots up, but this should be everything that you need for LineageOS to work. Now after that you could also install Magisk, which is root, but to install Magisk you must first let the phone boot up and complete the setup, and then you can install Magisk. So I'll be back with you once LineageOS is finished loading. Also the first boot might take a few minutes, so don't worry. And as you can see, LineageOS is now successfully installed. You can just go through the process, and that was pretty much it. So thank you for watching.